plate, which is, you could do that. There's a little thing right down here at the bottom. You just pull up and it comes right off. And then it should look like that. You got it. All you will have a sticker there that Microsoft sticker, but if you take that off, you void the warranty. So if you don't want to do that, then I suggest you stop watching this video right now. Alright, next you're going to want to take these off. I got a Torx 8 drill bit. You just want to, well, mine just comes off, but there's going to be about right here, and about there, around here, to here. There are little prongs like these. And all you do is push, and that you can pull up and pop them out. And then time to do the other side. This side, this is where you're gonna do it. See? I'll do mine here, here, and here. It should just come off like that. Now, you'd see that like that. There is a way of getting your sticker off with a hair dryer, but I didn't do that. I just went ahead and I rushed it. Next, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to lift up on all of these. Alright, hang on, this is kind of tricky. Alright, then it should look like that. You're going to want to sit it down and get like the smallest flathead screwdriver you could find. Again, I have a drill bit. And you want to go down and you want to pop in a downward motion. You want to pop all of these little things that are holding it together, latches, you can say, I guess. And you want to keep pushing apart as you do this. Got one side. Got the other side. Should it come off like that? Are you zooming in? Alright, so then this is what it's going to look like. Well then, just to be careful so you don't break it, I didn't do this the first time I fixed it, but then you want to get this under there, like a flathead, and just pop it off. It comes off like that. Don't worry, you can put it back. Just put that aside. And then you're going to want to get a Torx 8 security and a Torx 9, Torx 10. And then you just want to screw all these gold ones with Torx 9. Just put them somewhere where you know they'll be, like in a bowl or on the other part of the top part of the shell you took off. It's rough. Well, it's pretty hard, isn't it?
Yep.
It takes a lot of time. Spent all last night trying to fix both my Xboxes. One has the red ring of death and this one has the E74 error. I fixed this and I've already fixed this one once, and it's so annoying to do it. But it's so simple. But, well, I wish I could make this faster. Now you see these long ones? They go one on each side, so there'd be one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So you should have 6. You take them out. The black the black screws are for the X clamp, so you can take the motherboard out of the metallic shell. This thing. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in a minute. How much time do we have left?
We have about like 4 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, I should be able to show you. Alright. Now I just have all the golden silk long screws out. Now you wanna flip. Now you wanna get your torx 8. Well, here's what happens when you take all the silver out. You just wanna flip it over, give it a little tug. Sorry, it won't be this big a clip for you, but most of these things we get piece of junk. Oh, of course, I forgot to take one out. Retard. Now I have them all. And you just flip it over. Give it a little tug. You don't even give it a tug, you just wiggle it up. And that's what the inside of your Xbox will look like. And if you're wanting to flash your drive, there's something right along in here on how to do that. But I don't know exactly where. So if you're looking for that, just remember it's on there. Alright, so first you're gonna wanna put this back on, just so everything doesn't fall everywhere. Flip it over, make sure torx 8 security. Then you're gonna wanna unscrew all of the black ones. It's very I hate it, but man, it's worth it to fix your Xbox. You save $100 and then you don't have to fill it out for 4 months.
Oh, 1 minute left.
Alright, well, I'm gonna have to hurry up. Hi.
You want to bring that up and I'll just see what you all scratch that.
I'm not scratching nothing, I'm just taking the screws out right here. What?
You've got 10 seconds left.
Seriously?
Yeah. Actually, no, not really. Not yet.
Alright. You're gonna wanna
23 seconds.
how many?
20. Wait.
Then you just wanna pull up on this.
13.
Get a close up on this. There's a little thing just wanna pop out of there. Just come right out. You're gonna wanna pop this out. Then you're gonna wanna pop these out, and then after that you wanna unplug that. You can just flip it over and wiggle that out. Alright, well, I hope that helps. Alright.